Thank you, and let me start sharing the screen now. Namaskar Kuldip ji.
नमस्कार.
हमने अभी जस्ट रिवीजन शुरू किया, उससे पहले हम एग्जाम की बात कर रहे थे.
ठीक है, no problem. Sorry for being a little late.
No problem.
I was out.
आप शेयर करेंगे?
No problem. You can go ahead. If you are leaving, then I will share.
No, that's fine.
If you are leaving, then
हाँ, फिर मैं I will just attend. ठीक है.
It is lesson 13, lesson 14.
14.
14. And let me download. आप continue कर लीजिए.
ठीक है, फिर मैं रिवीजन करती हूँ. कंटिन्यू.
हाँ, आप शुरू कर दीजिए. हाँ, ठीक.
मानसी जी ने शुरू किया था जी. Is my screen visible now?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलिए. Linus.
Simini.
Correct.
Gav. Gavi.
गाव.
Gav.
क्या गव भी बोलते हैं.
Gav. Munch.
Mush.
Mush. Mush.
Mash.
Mush.
Mush.
Mush. Brr. Brr.
Brare.
Brare. Gagur. Gagur.
गगर. ये
Gagur.
क्योंकि ये फीमेल है ना, तो गगुर इज मेल एंड गगर. हाँ, गगर इज फीमेल.
Gagur.
गगरे.
Gagare. Kavin. Kavin. Kevin. Kevin.
हाँ, कविन.
Kevin. Kevin. Gab. Gab. Sir. Sorry.
Very good.
Kandurain. Kandureni.
Hmm.
Mozureng. Mozureni. Grisebai. Grisebai. Gurebai. Gurebai.
Very good.
Kraj.
Very good.
Vataj. Vataj was Vataj only? Vataj. Dobyabai. Dobyabai.
Very good. Very good. Nice. Seema ji. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? This is a revision. English to Kashmiri and Kashmiri to English. So first is I had gone to Pahalgam yesterday.
Okay, I had gone to Pahalgam yesterday. Osus Pahalgam Gomut Raat.
Osus
Raat Gomut Pahalgam.
Gomut. Female.
Gomuts. Osus Raat Gomuts Pahalgam.
Or Osus Raat Pahalgam Gomuts.
Osus Raat Pahalgam Gomuts.
Oh, so Gomut is male.
Gomut is male.
Gomut is male. Gomut
and Gomuts is female.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Se kya vuchut tate?
Mitchu Beymanun?
Hanji.
Ha. Se kya vuchut tate? I saw forests and river lither there.
No. Se kya vuchut tate? What does that mean?
Oh, I'm answering the question. What did you see there?
Yes.
What did se kya vuchut tate?
What did you see there? Yes.
What did you see there? I saw forests and river lither there. Mevuch, jungle, tebe, Daryal, lither Daryal, tete.
Tate. हाँ. या इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Mevuch tate, jungle, tebe, leather daryav. The other way around.
Mevuch tate, jungle, the
Leather daryav.
Lither Daryal.
Yeah, Mevuch jungle to leather daryav tate. Both are correct. Okay. Next one.
Daryavasmans Osopoin Yak.
What does that mean?
Was the water cold in the river?
Yes.
Yes, the water was cold. Ah. Poin os yak.
Yes. Thank you. Neelji, next few sentences.
Sechuye Jile Dal Wuchmut. Have you seen Dal Lake? Yes, I have seen Dal Lake. Be me vachut Jiles Dal.
Very good try. Michu a me vuch.
Wuch.
A me vuch jiledal. Yes. But very good try. Next.
Yichu Srinagar Sharas Mons. It is in Srinagar, the city.
City. Shahargaon city.
Yeah.
It is in Srinagar city. Next.
There are houseboats too. Tate che houseboat te. Nakur tate shikar savoy. I had a ride in the shikar there.
Yeah. Yes, correct. Ahana bolegi participate karegi? I don't know.
She's in the bathroom.
Okay. So, okay, Mansiji. Maybe we will just go three numbers each.
51 Akwanza, 55 Panchwanza, 60 is Shet, 60
Shade.
and
Yeah.
64 hurt Shathurt. No, so hurt.
To hurt. Very good. Very good. So always remember, जो last number है आपको ऐसा आता है the, who, through, sarji, pansa is like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and then ak, zit, ret, zor, paans ऐसे करके. So 60 में to shade.
So
To hurt. Then it becomes to hurt. I mean, just to remember like a tip.
Yeah. Some
Yeah.
confusions happen because some places like for 3 is tra and for some places it is ta, like in these numbers. And for 2, some of them are z and some of them are the, doi traji, and some are z and some are do. So
Daitaji, right, correct.
some
Yes,
places it changes.
yes.
But
Yes.
yes, most of them are similar. So it's
Yeah, most of them are similar. Usme bas, you just have to remember a trick usually. And then you will have, when you will pronounce it and apply it again and again, to fir aapko aa jayega.
Yeah, usually when I say something wrong, it hits like it seems unheard. So
Yes,
then I correct
correct.
it. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Seema ji.
Can you just tell us the trick again?
Okay, so suppose it is 55. Read the last number, which is 5. 5. 50 is pancha. So 5 vanza. It's like that. Ya ak vanza. 51. Shet.
What she means, Seema ji, the next letter, the last letter is spoken first and the first letter is spoken. Akvanza means 1 is first and then Vanza means pancha.
Pancha.
Duvanza, Truvanza, it's not first letter, first figure first, it is the second figure first. Okay. When you say
Is that how numbers work in Hindi too?
that's right. Yeah, that's right.
I don't know how to count in Hindi, so I don't know.
That's right.
Not all, but yes, somewhat similar. Yeah. Okay. So 67.
Seema or me?
Who is speaking?
Anyone. You all can unmute.
Sapta hurt.
Sat hurt. Right. 70,
Satat.
73,
Trusatat.
Trusatat. 75,
Pansa Satat.
Pansatat. Exactly. Okay. Kuldip ji, over to you
Okay,
for the
I'll
lesson.
share. आप ये
I'll stop
screen-
sharing.
हाँ, share, I'll
हाँ जी.
share.
Okay.
Okay. Mansiji, Parimara to you goding sentence translation. You can
I
see my
go-
screen? तो एक
Yes.
उछान अच्छा okay.
Yes. I go to my office daily.
Mm-hmm.
Butchers Duhoy Panun Daftar Gatsan.
हाँ, ठीक है. Next.
Please sit here and help me. Meherbani karit beh yetyat mekar madat.
Mekar mother. Okay.
Mekar madat.
Sorry, give me 1 minute. Okay. Then Seemaji, next sentence, blue.
This is a big river. There is a boat in it. Ye छ ak bod daryav, atmans छ ak nav.
Okay. Next sentence. Sorry.
Spread the carpet here. This carpet is made in Kashmir. Yetit vaharav kurlin. Ye kurlin chu kashire banomut.
Banyomat. Correct.
Banomut.
Neilji.
Have you seen Hari Mahal near Cheshma Shahi? Situate Cheshma Shahi Nishpuri Puri Mahal Wuchmut.
Correct.
The lake is a big lake. Its water is crystal clear. Dal cho ak board sir. Amyuk point cho saf.
Now, one thing you must remember here. She jeel te vanan, she sar te vanan. Lake is also called both ways. You should come yad. Sar is also lake, and jeel is also lake. It is jeel. Of course, sar is the more Kashmiri. Jeel is more colloquial. Okay.
Amyuk kya go?
Huh?
Its is amyuk.
Yeah. Amyuk. Amyuk means it's.
Amyuk.
Amyuk water. Okay,
And
Ahana.
there's no gender? Is there any gender with Amyuk or is there no gender?
Amyuk point. Not. I don't think so. There is no gender like that. Amyuk. No. There is no gender. Where is Ahana? Ahana, where did she go?
She's right here.
She's right here, so I want her to speak. Ahana, one better. Chalo, next, red.
Have you gone to Gangabo? It lies at the foot of Mountain. Harmuk Mountain.
Okay. Gomut. Oh. Gomut. Okay. Next.
Each Harmuk Bahadur Kis Damnas
Tar. Foot means daman. Daman actually Chivanan usan जैसे आपका शर्ट है टॉप है जैसे सीमा जी का टॉप है आपके मॉम का टॉप है उसका जो बॉटम पोर्शन है टॉप का उसको दामन बोलते हैं सो पहाड़ के दामन दैट इज द बॉटम मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ हिल दैट इज दामन ओके दामन पर से मींस द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द टॉप ड्रेस जैसे फेरन होता था पहले उसका नीचे का रहता था उसको दामन बोलते थे सेम वे फुट हिल का Damnastal means foot of the mountain. So that is the lower part. So that is also called Daman. Okay. And then Tal means lies. It is there. It lies there. Okay. Damnas tal. Okay.
Underneath. Tal.
Okay. You will read and one more sentence, Anna.
I'm not feeling well. I will take rest. I will take rest.
Mm-hmm.
Me chun ta tai.
You look at it. Don't look at Dad. Look at the screen. One you.
Okay. Tuvia tik tik tik. Bakara aram.
Aram. Mechun tabiyat. You know, A with a circle on the tabiyat. Tabiyat. E. Tabiyat. Theek. T with a dot at the bottom. Theek. Kar aram. Okay. It is both are big aram. Okay. Okay. Mansiji.
We play game of cowries on Shivratri. Oesche Herats Pyat Haran Gindan.
Here one thing is to be remembered. Shivratri is Shivana Kashirpet Herath.
Herath.
So isliye
Herath also I've heard.
Herath is correct, but Herath means on Herath.
Oh, on Herath.
Herath means Herath's pet. Herath's pet, when you say it with pet, on Herath, on Shivratri, then it is Herath's pet. Okay? Then it is not Herath's pet. It is Herath's pet whenever you write. Otherwise, Herath is the right translation for Shivratri. Okay. Haran means cowries, those shells which you find, which we play. आपने देखा कौड़ी देखी है कभी?
Kaudi. Okay. This cowries means kaudi. Okay.
Kaudi, but same.
Okay.
So if you have not seen, I will show you later on. After the class, I'll bring it from I have somewhere here in the shelf. Okay. Next, our
New Year starts on Navre. Navre is a festival too. Son Nov Vari Chu Navrehas Pyat Shuru Gatsan. Navre Chu Bod Dwati.
First class. Absolutely perfect. Now we have lesson 14 today. So I will read it once, but wapas will read once again. 76 Shusatat. 77 Sat Satat. 78 Ar Satat. 79 Kunshit. Not Kunshit, sorry. Kunshit. 80 Sheet. 81 Akshit. 82 Doishit. 83 Treishit. Now Doishit, some people also say Dushit, but correct way of reading is Doishit. Okay. Sushit. Same thing, Faishit, Sushit. Both are generally colloquial, but Faishit is the right word. Panchashit, Sheishit, Satashit, Arashit, Kunnamat, Namat, Aknamat, Dunamat, Trunamat, Sunamat, Panchanamat, Shunamat, Satnamat, Arnamat, Namnamat, Hat means 100. Okay. So let's see, we have about 25. So we have 4, so 6 each. Seema ji, you take it, shuru.
76 Shusatat. 77 Satsatat. 78 Arsatat. 79 Kunshit. 80 Sheet. 81 Akashit.
Okay. Mansi ji.
82 Dvaishit. 83 Treishit. 84 Tsoishit. 85 Panchashit. 86 Sheishit. 87 Satashit.
Okay. Neilji.
87, Arashit,
88. 88.
sorry, 80, Arashit, 89, Kunanamat, 90, Namat, 91, Aknamat, 92, Dunnamat, 93, Turnamat, 94, Sunnamat.
Okay, okay. Now Anna, come on.
95,
You have to come in forward. थोड़ा आगे जाओ बेटा. तो आवाज clear हो जाएगी. Good.
That one.
95, Namat,
Yes.
96, Shanamat, 97, Satanamat, 98, Aranamat, 99, Namanamat,
Namat बराबर. Okay.
100.
Hat. Very good. Perfect. Okay, this is the intimation regarding lesson 16. We'll take exam on 8/15. Which date finally you discussed with क्या final किया आप लोगों ने?
October 15th.
October 15th is final. Good. And what about your timing? You had some difficulty in timing. Did you tell us?
We have to do this. We were talking earlier. We're going to do 6 or 7 p.m. India time.
Then it's better to keep it 7 at the same time. So I think it suits everybody.
Okay, so the 15th at 7.
7. So I think I will tell Shivani also, and you can also post it that finally 7. Okay.
Let Shivani ji tell everybody because she
Okay,
said
Nini. I will
will-
do that. She will finally say yes. But what I'm saying that whatever is convenient to you, 6 or 7, whichever you told her, because you had raised a question that this may not be suitable. You had not given a time. So I would suggest that you post your time, and as you rightly told me, then I will tell her to go fix it at 7. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
That's perfectly all. So baki to ye, then we'll have on 15th. Okay. Then PDF. This you must have been told earlier. Now let us do one thing. Trivenium में ताइचु यात lessons में क्या क्या ये सुनते ही फिक्री शुतर है. Seema ji, anything from this lesson? Otherwise, we'll close the lesson and then we'll talk general.
हाँ हमारा मैं बासन ठीक छु sorry.
Mansi ji.
Yeah, all good.
Okay, Neil ji.
I'm not confident that I'm going to know things like, if you go down a little bit to like Amyuk and things like that,
No problem. That's why I highlighted this.
Amyuk, things like words like thal, in the next sentence, like those things, I don't know, like those types of, like the conjugation.
It is something like, see, tal means lies, lie,
Yeah.
to lie down, tal, okay, to lie means tal. Basically, as I told you, damnus, you may be difficult, so it is actually, it's a vocabulary, it is a foot, it's a sort of metaphor type, it's not foot of, it's not a feet, it is the, daman is generally, as I said, कि जैसे आपने फेरन देखा होगा तो just ना फेरन को चिट्सना फेरन using the bottom using bunium lower portion ची ताचवना dam. So same way it is a sort of a corollary that foot of the mountain, so damnasta. Okay, so then
it's actually it's less that word, it's more amyuk. I'm a little, because
amyuk means no problem. It's means I understand that. But one thing is that's why Yamzan to ask various sentences, Neilji as query, Immediate Pigment on lesson. There must be several occasions yet in Zansu Bilkul 1-to-1 Ashivan, which possible. So time khatranchu because Achunka standard Sanskrit is perfect. The way you speak one, everything goes like that. No other language is perfect, whether it is English, Hindi, anybody. Excepting Sanskrit, which is exactly same. If it is one way, you say the same thing over and over and over again, 100 times with 100 things, everything. It's a perfect language. But all other languages have some nuances. Same way here. But time khatr chi akoi cheez ki to thoda practice karein. Is pe jun last sections mein usko resh ke birth one, yeah, kath one, story one, booze. आजकल जो रैना सब पानी तम वीडियो तरावान तो तथ मज तह चीज नई वोकैबुलरी कह ऑलरेडी बूजमित so no issue but कह छो नु तह बूजमित so it's a question of knowing more and more vocabulary and the usage so तम खतु छन कह परवाह तो and आपको तो हमने ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर कर दिया यू आर द मॉनिटर ऑफ द क्लास तो इसमें आप ही डर गए तो फिर बाकी क्या करेंगे
I'm the content I've learned. It's when I have to like take it to the next level, you know.
We will. I will. As I told you earlier, also no one will try to fight it. It's just always available. You keep shooting us even after the class. Don't worry. Keep sending anything, whatever you have. Your queries, कुछ भी कोई problem नहीं है. We will try answer you at the earliest. User no time session कैसी क्या मुश्किल. It's a new language for you. It's a totally new language for Seema ji. She knows some words actually, so she's able to speak from that. But parun shu, lekhun shu, which is important. Exactly, you will know that pronunciation particular pronunciation whether it is Devanagari or Roman. So this is important. Okay. So then I will shut this screen. Then we'll talk for some more time. So when tomorrow Seema ji, I was busy since morning. I just had a look at it, but I will look at it in detail today, probably in the evening. And you have sent me something in written. So I will
बस सुकम करान you have to मगर मैं उसने notebook सूत like पूरा correct characters लेखुन तो मैं कर like कनसित versus bozan भजन तो versus कोशिश करान like लेखुन मगर लफ्ज़ तो चुमरती तगान तो most, you know, I tried. So some of it will not make any
problem. It is the best way to do it. It's the best way to do it.
I think so.
You listen and write.
But most but sonchun yicha like what is it? You are you with the thing this thing. So I really had to try, and I'm sure I made maybe 500 mistakes, but at least I did it.
No, don't worry about mistakes. So actually, Taiwan you know, it's for everybody. It's a video to which you have maintenance. So Kashmiri Language lesson vowel series. So tatkatur मैं aks बनाऊँ ना brief एक ही page का मैंने बनाया है या Masterji उनके उस आक exposed करमत one page you know sort of vowels. So I will post that again. Masterji बड़ा ठीक पर देखूँ ताकि मैं चौकती you know ये नस्तलिकस मस्जिद लिखे. I will post that again on the group, so that will be good for you. So page पानस नहीं थाउन हमेश.
I think so.
Then it's the easiest to try in the beginning. Patim satun to practice gets you partition problem. Patim satun I kispotin chilekun kispotin chaparun ya so ये तेरे पति पाने तो basically ये जो पता लिखने से टाइप लाइक जो नोट्स बढ़ गया बड़ा मुश्किल ये ना ये especially O with a cap English जो लिखन Romanos में O with a cap or E with a cap, you know, it's very difficult. So sometimes you can write it in a different way. मगर ये पता use to option साधारण pronunciation क्या है कि ऐसे वारियान चे कोशिश ती चे accent ना अलग तम साथ चीज़ का थोड़ा मुश्किल and especially अगर तो birth चु बोलना या भजन चु बोलना ताकि में चु कुछ साथ ना सो meter करने खतर ना सो rhyme लाने अन्य खतर चे थोड़ा सा सो word तो थोड़ा modify करें. So birth is not very easy for anybody. क्या इसके ताकि तुम थोड़ा सुनो so to make it rhythmic in you know listening तम साथ तुम थोड़ा ताकि ना changes ते करां. So that is true of every language. जैसे हम हिंदी गाने सुनते हैं तो if you see the word itself lot of words will be like that कि इम्जन exactly same word इम्जन अलग पक्षिमा वन मगर when they are in song they are slightly either longish in the beginning or longish in the end or the whole word is long or short, you know, the way it is spoken. So time से थोड़ा फर्क शिकता है, but that's not nothing to worry about. But your time you बतावे वो मम्मी इस टाइम तो using your basic vowel kit pach lekhun yuti to parit hekiu barabar kit potential para, then your reverse will also be true. Using kit pach to vananchu so hekiu to separate lich. So vowels you cannot make a mistake how you write. So only thing is that I choose to practice karan ki yes that particular word is kit potential pronunciation, catch pronunciation. Mansi ji, try anything?
And question I had. So
Sure.
for students who will pass the exam, this particular one, is there some kind of a phase 2 of classes?
I tell you frankly, I suppose we had earlier planned this year only, but Masterji in tabiyat kharab was nothing. So we had thought of an advanced course where we would sort of, I will raise the level.
Maybe
So,
intermediate, like this is beginners and intermediate and then advanced.
I tell you, intermediate is very easy. Tell you frankly, you don't need intermediate. You can make, which I have also been a student, though I know Kashmiri by birth. Magar lekhun to paranchum mein lekhun to paranchum mein 8 classes. So that kya is very important ki written can't subject and you start writing. That is the best practice. You say to likhu pani atsitan jaise Seema ji shoes mein to he ki misreads. I will correct it. I will send it back. No, don't worry. Agar galat hai heavens are not falling. So then you will understand ki kis potential. Koi problem is. What you should do, most important is isn't to likh muchu. Switch that voice note so that what will happen कि तोय तारी फिक्री क्या असस वनान कितपट असस वो बोला इशा टाइम पे मीनिंग कभी word may not be right, but if you have spoken in a particular way and it is written in the same way it should be sounding, then it's okay. It's a question of that word torun to one barabar, but you to itpat to one was itpat likhu, that is perfect. So that way you will practice, that is the best way. Sachin kya parwai to hitu kya panu itpat Seema ji one she has sent me something so वो परसों उस चची अगर सीमा जी तो चुता सो ना वॉइस नोट छू नते सुन
हाँ मैं so vajan gyabun the record
तो ना वाइन करते आले वाइन तेरे आप चीजन तो यूजन तो लिख मुझे ना सुई परियो
हाँ हाँ
record हाँ record करियो तो वॉइस नोट हाँ तो सुई में सुतो then I will correct both, you know, the way you are speaking or the way you have written, so that is much easier. So यार कब करें ठीक है. अच्छा हाँ ना आज हमने सोचा था कि you will give us a demonstration कि बाकुत कुछ पच कोशिश पे काट करना. ओसना करमत कि वाले you बाकुत you come here, go there, be पत्थर.
She sent a video.
Yeah, she sent a video, but now this is the live demonstration. I saw that video. Wale you and Bakut came running. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Next time मैं sit and कशर पे ठीक बात करें उसको समझ. अरे वाह. चिचक Bakut. चिचक मैं मना grizzly चिचक मना Bakut. सुमन में border.
He's asking if you call him Grizzly or Bakut.
Grizzly?
Say mommy calls him Bakut.
Mommy calls him Bakut and you call him
Bakut Manan.
अच्छा नहीं कोई बात नहीं धीरे wow he's getting used to the family now. He's a pakka family member now. Yeah. Good.
So Esos as recite Karun numbers 1 to 75.
Wine cap to याद ती में तो गॉड मकला भी खास करे साथ पर वहाँ में तो वाइन मानसी जी you say from 20 to 30.
As the most tough ones, did you pick one?
No, I didn't choose. I can choose. You can take 1 to 20.
No,
problem.
that's fine. Yeah, I can. So 20 onwards.
Okay, 20 onwards.
Vu, Akuvu, Zutovu, Tritovu,
Trovu,
Trovu, Tsovu, Pansuhu, Punsu, Sato, Shetavu, Satovu, Atovu, Kuntru, Tru.
Kuntra, the way you speak. Very good. हाँ नील जी सीमा जी को हम बहुत सारे दे देंगे एक साथ में बाद में. Okay. 31 to 40.
31, 40. Akatra, doyatra, teyatra, soyatra, panchatra, shayatra, satatra, aratra, kuntaji,
Uh-huh.
sataji,
Satji.
sataji,
Hmm.
akataji, doyataji, teyataji, soyataji, panchataji, shayataji, satataji, arataji, kunwanza pansa.
Fantastic. Ahana, 51 to 60. Chalo, abhi pata chalega. हाँ, you can read, no problem. If you have it in front of you, you can read, no problem. I don't have a problem with that. I want you to pronounce it, okay? 51.
Okay, do 51.
Come on, Hannah.
Do 51.
They're waiting.
I give you the paper.
Akavansa, Devansa, Travansa, Sevansa, Pansavansa, Sharansa,
Shivanza.
Shavansa,
Hmm.
Satavansa,
Satvanza. Satvanza. Uh-huh. Hmm.
Aravansa,
Arvanza.
Karahat,
Kunhurt. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to say. You can't pass it.
Kunahut,
Good. Next.
Share.
Shade. Very good. Chalo, now it's Mama's turn. Seemaji.
Okay.
We need it too?
I'm borrowing the book.
No, you cannot borrow book. You have to
Uh-oh.
remember that. It is
No.
one.
The hurt, do you hurt?
I'm on 61.
Yeah.
Mitchunayim.
Acha, yeah, acha, chalo, you can also read, no problem.
Okay. Akahurt. Honestly, I don't know. The hurt,
The hurt.
Thruhurt, Suhurt, Pansahurt, Shahurt, Satahurt, Arahurt, Gunasatat, Satat. Bay?
Pansatantam.
Akasatat, Dusatat, Trusatat, Susatat,
Susatat.
Susatat, Pansasatat.
Very good. Now you say from 1 to 5.
Yeah, one, me, I can do one. That looks good. Akatret or Pans.
Bas. Chalo, Mansiji. वो भोंताम छे ना करूँ तो 4 में 5 आ जाएंगे. चलो, okay.
She, Sat, Ert, Nav, Da.
Yeah, very good. Neilji.
Ka,
You're gonna have to go.
can you hear me? Okay. So Ka, Ba, Ruva, Soda, Panda, Shura, Sadda, Arda.
बस. Now Ahana के लिए क्या बचेगा फिर? चलो
15 to
15 to 20. Ahana.
Anda, Shura, Sada, Arda,
Arda? Huh?
Kunava,
Kunuvu. Wu. Kunuvu. Wu. Wu. Very good. Excellent. चलो आज तो ये हो गया. वहीं क्या करो तो प्रैक्टिस को तो क्या करो तो ये वहीं तो पानी में आइडिया ना दिमो बोलता है पानी को प्रैक्टिस करे में एग्जाम्स में 100 out of 100 आने 99 out of 100 चन पूरा 100 out of 100.
Myon Khayal Chike Mitchu Sori lessons beginning Shuru Tain no Shuru Pete Yotin Tain revision karit be Mitchu vowels like ठीक but like be yad karun to be lekun sori be I think for me that's my plan. you know, Shasuri Retina Hechan Retina different pine, Magar Michu Suk Karon.
Okay. So क्या चुका Masterji?
For me, I apart from learning the words which are there and their meanings, present tense, past tense, that present continuous, those sentences, and trying to pick up words and making sentences out of them. That is still a challenge for me. That's why I'm not speaking in Kashmiri, because
But
I can't.
Masterji, bono te byak chizan. तो रुजु वनान हिंदस में कैसे कोशिश पर कैसे सीमा जी से कोशिश करें कि क्या कंकर्स में ये जात से जात क्या गए who is going to between you and me and this class who is there, nobody else, and this is the most friendly class. आप कैसे हम साथ कैसे बानो विन बनो ना ते सोरे आकू जुतो उतरो तो कित पेट बनोते हैं पाने बनोते हैं. In fact, you do not even refer to the book, unlike Seema ji, है ना? You did better than that.
So that's the only thing I learned, so I was prepared.
नहीं, no problem, no problem. Actually, चुके कैसा इंसान कोशिश कराएं तो ऐसे पेट काट करने चल चुके. बुकर होता है एक खतरा आख चीज़ है. I mean, now that only 4 or 5 of you are there today, what I will do is that Master just lesson I say next time that we'll go through once, and I will make my own refresher, which I had done for myself earlier. जब दिन ना बहुत से student how to pass the exam. तो मैं उसके बनो मत कागज़ पे. Display. I will make a small PowerPoint presentation out of it, and I will just show it to you. I will make you read it, and I would suggest I will post it for also on the group, so that what will happen is that I'm sitting there revision. Magar I will pick up something. Isn't I want sentences, I want vowels, but mine khatru bozn khatra, one khatra vowel. बड़ जरूरी कशर वॉवल यम साथ कशर वॉवल अस तौर फिक्री बाकी देवनागरी वहीं यूजन वह अंग्रेजस मज सीमा जी खाली अंग्रेजस मज तत करान कत या नील जी करान या हाना करान यमन खतर सह चैलेंज मगर यम साथ अस वॉवल हेचो पत यम साथ तमिक उच्चारण करो कत हेको कर तम सत 2-3 लट गई गलती 4 लट गई गलती 5 लट गई गलती बट पत गि ठीक अत क्या परवाह इत पे जन कह चीज करान सारी अंग्रेज अंग्रेज. We have learned English. So we learned in school. We will learn this way. We have learned English, Hindi, or whatever we have learned. Maths, we have learned everything. I'll make a small note. I will keep myself a reminder to make that small presentation. So next time, if we get time, whatever time we get, we will share whatever is possible for me. ठीक है? Another thing I'm telling you again, अगर तो कंस टिश्यू के बासान के we want to know this, जैसे सीमा जी ने भेजा तो इटे तो सूझत नील जी आप you also can try something, anything you feel like, read a para or write it down and whatever is there, or whatever. I would suggest one more thing. मास्टर जी ने इवन कशर आज उस वीडियो आज का कुछ बात करी थी about one poet of Kashmir. So what I would suggest that isn't too much kashir put one. It will be a good practice. You take a few sentences out of that and start writing in that, not Kashmiri or this English Kashmiri, Roman Kashmiri or Devanagari Kashmiri, whichever suits you. So it's likh karne koshish, tension parwai. Send it to me. So what will happen by that? It will become a practice for you, not because regular lessons are easy, but then when you want to do on your own, so tell frantically. Chati, Ahana, for you there is a lot of homework this time. We are not giving you much homework, excepting one rhyme, you know.
One line.
Okay.
So you tell me what you want to do. What you will tell everybody, every one of us before Friday. What you will share with you. Whatever you share with us, we are happy. You saw your video. You saw your video on Kosam group. Kosam, you saw on Facebook. It is on Facebook.
I went on like my school took us on a trip for 2 nights.
Acha, okay.
You have to
Sure, तो आज which video? Panun video lagi था जहाँ.
But have it video.
Mami to show Papa to show
We didn't know you were gonna post it for everybody.
No, I told you it will come on. Just for me, that's okay. But अच्छी नहीं बहुत अच्छा है. Tell you frankly, have you seen all the videos, earlier videos? Some of
They're
them
all
are
good. Yeah, they're cute.
नहीं अभी तो आजकल गिनना तो उत्तर प्रदेश में तो actually broad में. Some of them are very ordinary, but some of them at the end of the lesson they're mind-boggling. In fact, shows of Karnataka spect, दो चार लोग थे ऐसे जो non-Kashmiris थे, non even Hindi. They wouldn't know even Hindi. Timo च tut asal person kashir person tim vanimit ke kast karmus ya panun description jutmut. And this is a good idea. This came to me. You can describe yourself in Kashmiri. Write a small 5 sentences. Who I am a Hana. Okay. Okay. From there, Kashmiri translation and what I do, what I like, what is my pet, who's my pet, what is its name. Okay, that type of thing. You can write some 5 sentences. It gives you practice, So we can choose that. And in the meantime, if you need any help, I'm always available. Okay. Anything else? Otherwise, we'll close down today. And you can add one more thing, Mansi ji taizun vanutana, Mansi agarsan ye session gets khatam pat kya karo is, you can join the next session also. Or in fact, you get a concession. You don't have to post homework at the same time. But I would suggest whenever you join, you should also send homework. What happens is that you know कि which is ठीक लेखान just paran just ठीक बैठ के ना दक्षिण के पर.
Most probably I will, because frankly telling, I feel like I've just started gaining confidence about speaking and the classes are ending.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं. It happens the same way. Everybody. It's nothing to feel different.
This is my weekly exposure to the language and learning, and I don't want to stop it now. So probably I will enroll again in the next session.
तो आइचो बनोमत का वीडियो ना आवता बनोने के.
But this was my idea also as well. I wanted to put a video of speaking something about myself and the class.
Why not?
Yeah. But yeah, that's what my video will be about.
That's perfectly all right. No problem. Idea chu kashir par chu bolun.
Yeah.
Idea chu kashir sentences chu bolun. That's perfectly all right. Okay. Bye then. Sorry for being late today. Sorry for being late today. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Anna. Bye, Neilji.
Bye.